There we go. How's that looking? Yeah, lovely jubbly. Right, broskies, where is my cutter? Tried and trusted cutter. You've been waiting for this one. I've been waiting for this one. Apologies to everyone because, well, no, it's not even my fault. The Nike sneakers app. We all know how much of a mess it can be. For some reason, my account is a shambles. My missus' account is a shambles, so I gave up. Ended up getting these on the resale market. Obviously, you know what shoe it is, the Air Max 95 Unearthed. Might just be my favorite Air Max of the year so far. We might have to see what the Amamanier 95s are saying, but I think it's gonna be these, especially when it comes to 95s, definitely release of the year. Now, in terms of what I paid, I only paid like $195 after shipping and everything, which is hilarious because they do retail for $185, but not complaining, I'm grateful. Obviously, me and sneakers, we gotta sort things out, you know? You know, when a husband and wife, they go through things. It's the same with the Nike sneakers app. I'm sure we will rekindle at some point. Anyways, let's get these bad boys open. Okay, there we go. Just this box, man, this box. Meet your soulmates. eBay are just the best, bro. Like, I don't care, man. Lovely jubbly. Now, before we open up the box, the storytelling with this shoe, the design, and the thought process of this shoe, it's meant to sort of show the process of erosion. This is why it's called Unearthed, obviously. So the box itself is amazing. I mean, it's a sneakers app exclusive. My thoughts were they were meant to do a whole sneakers day this year, which obviously did not happen, but I love it. The layers, the colors, that old school Nike sort of Air Max box or GR box, I think you could say. Yeah, amazing. Amazing. Definitely a box in your sort of stash or tower. I guess that's gonna stand out. And the product sticker is Nike Air Max 95 and the official colorway is Summit White and Velvet Brown. So there we have it. I am a bit nervous in terms of the QC. This is why I wanted to do a sort of unboxing, and we are gonna do a review later down the line in a day or two or 3 or 4. But I just wanted to show you guys the QC, what I was sort of dealing with in terms of my reaction, and I think no time like the present. Inside of the lid, Nike Air Max 95, as if unearthed by the process of erosion. Then we have the old school Air Max 95 logo, sneakers, and the Nike swoosh, which is pretty cool. Brown tissue paper, which I don't think I've ever seen to a 95. Ooh, 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 oh, no, 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 no. We got some glue, glue, glue. Overall, I was expecting a lot worse. A little bit, not too noticeable, but a little bit of glue on the toe box. It's not like people are gonna notice it, you know? It's just me and my OCD. But yeah, definitely a banger. I really love that sort of purple into velvet, into violet, I guess. It's gotta be Air Max of the year, bro. I can't think off the top of my head. Apart from the OGs, yes, the TNs, voltage purples, pimentos, Air Max 1, Air Max Days, nothing stands out like this. Nothing as special anyway. You know, I'm trying to look at my collection and think what I picked up. Air Max 1 chlorophylls, which I didn't pick up, but yeah, that's a shout. But in terms of originality and something new, a bit of storytelling behind it, yeah, I think these have got to be #1 so far. Now, straight off the bat, the whole gradient is sort of reminiscent to the OG sort of style, you know, the OG neon greens, that kind of thing. Definitely one that stands out. I think this could have been a pack. Like, how cool would it have been if you had one pair with violet and one pair with that sort of brown on the medial, but if there were 2 different shoes? That would have been sick. I'm not complaining. I just really love everything about this shoe, from the first pictures we saw to the pictures we saw in hand, videos. But what Nike have done and the design team is special. You know, showing the process of erosion from the blue in the air unit to the sort of purple, violet, sort of velvet, I guess, on the upper with the sort of coast, and then on the earth, the earthy tones on the medial, which is amazing. What really stands out to me though is, yeah, the premium materials, apart from QC aside. I've seen some horror shows, which is why I'm not too bothered or not too upset, but it's amazing, you know? The sort of netting, which is kind of like hemp, I've heard, and also the tongue as well. Very premium, and even that effect on the heel counter. It's kind of like showing layers from like the top down. The insole's amazing. It says Nike Air Max 95, as if unearthed by the process of erosion. And even the old school PSI on the outsole. That's cool. That is very cool. And for all the 95 OG heads or Air Max heads, yeah, you're gonna love that as well. The only thing I am worried about is the sizing. And I have to try them on right now for your broskies because Some people said they had to go half a size up. No, honestly, I think, for me anyway, true to size, I know like my toe is here, which is how I like my 95s. I like them a bit snug, but at the same time, a bit of room. Just bear in mind, I do have narrow feet. So if you don't, or you have wide feet, or you like a bit more room, then half a size up is for you. But personally, yeah, true to size, just how I like my 95s. Man, they're so nice. They are so nice. I know I've said it a lot, but the QC aside, the quality of the materials, you don't really see that every day from a 95 or a GR 95. I know this isn't a GR, but that's what makes it so special. Sneakers exclusive, even though I hate the app sometimes, when something like this comes out, whether you are a 95 head or just an Air Max head in general, yeah, definitely a sneaker I think you're gonna like or love. Obviously US, it's a bit difficult because it was an EU exclusive and UK exclusive, but the resale market's not too bad. Like I said, on eBay, got these for like $195 with everything included. So I'm pretty sure you can get these for a steal, especially on places like, you know, other platforms that do ship to you and source to you and stuff like that. Absolutely love this shoe. Just a quick unboxing, broskies, just to show you my reaction to the QC. That is gonna do my head in the more I look at it, so I'm not gonna look. Could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse from what I've seen anyway. So that's pretty much it. The full review is gonna be out in a couple days time. I'm literally gonna shoot the B-roll now. Man, I've been waiting for these. I've been waiting for these all week, to be honest. Me and Nike sneakers, we gotta talk. We gotta have it out like adults, you know? Man to app. Man to man. Don't forget, do all that good stuff, broskies. Join the Discord down below, links there. Yeah, we help each other out with restocks, sales as well. I think it was Alex. He said he got a pair of Air Max Plus for £110, thanks to the chat. So, you know, we help each other out like I keep saying. And that's about it, broskies. Just keep it locked, subscribe for the full review. And yeah, I might even wear these today. I don't know, it looks like it's gonna rain. So, maybe not. But anyways, broskies, don't forget to like, comment, share. And until the next episode, take care. That was not planned. That wasn't planned, bro. Bruh, see you later.